We will start by hitting the back cover of the device with a heat gun. If you do not have a heat gun, you can use a common hairdryer. After 2 minutes, the device should be warm enough for you to use your suction cup to create a small gap between the broken back glass and the frame of the device. You can use a metal tool like I'm doing it, but if you do not have enough experience, start with a plastic tool. You will not add any scratch on your device. Once you have inserted your first tool inside, use the tool to go around and cut the glue that attach the broken back glass to the frame of the device. Make sure that you run your plastic tool on all 4 corners of this device. So I'm very curious, have you ever tried one of these repair tutorials? Check the links into the description for the tools and parts that I used in this small tutorial. Once complete, you can remove the broken back glass. This back cover is really in a bad shape. This is the new back glass that I'm going to install on this device, and as you can see, it is pretty clean, and I have cut the protective film on the inside of the device, so that way I can put some pressure on the tape already installed on the back cover without it being pulled on the other side. Apply some pressure around the tape for it to firmly stick to the back cover, and we have removed the protective film. You can see the amount of tape on the new back cover is very minimal. It is very minimal compared to the old back cover. Surely if you install this back cover, your water resistance is going to be down. I think the best case scenario for this one is to add some extra glue that will permit the back cover to stick firmly, because I do not trust these black tips. So I'm going to add 2 extra layers of glue near the black tip. B7000 is a glue that we use for electronic repairs, and it works really well for these kind of scenarios. The amount of glue that the old back cover had is very important. As you can see, we have 3 layers of glue now. This looks more like the old back cover in terms of glue that we have. So we are finished with the glue. I'm sure this is going to protect more the device against the water than if I had installed the back cover only with the black tape. So let's install the new back cover. Align the back cover with the frame of the device and apply some pressure downward in order for the back glass to stick to the frame of the device. If you like these repair videos and you've learned one thing or two, subscribe to our channel, share our content to your friends and family. Once you have put a little bit of pressure, you need to add some clamps or something that can apply some constant pressure for at least 5 to 10 minutes. You need to do that regardless of if you added a liquid glue or if you used only the tape that came pre-installed with the back cover. Try to put the clamps with something so that it does not scratch the back cover nor the front of the device. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can remove the clamps. Check all around the device to make sure that there is no elevation, no misalignment, or any cracks. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you next time.